everyone, welcome to your phonics session. Show me you are ready, sitting up straight, and show me your magnet eyes. Fantastic. Okay, our sound today is unk. Unk. Unk, unk, unk. Unk. Well done. Now these words have unk in them. Think. Sink. Stink. Blink. Link. Pink. Well done. Okay, watch. Okay, right. My turn. Your turn. Well done. Okay, my turn. Your turn. Well done. Okay, watch. Okay, my turn. I think I stink. Your turn. Well done. My turn. I think I stink. Your turn. Well done. Unk. Unk. It's the same. Look, and there's a rat and he's saying, I think I stink. I think I stink. Unk. I think I stink. Well done. Okay. When you see this side, you say unk. And this side, I think I stink. Okay, let's go. Well done. Keep going. Well done. Well done. Okay, I'm going to pop our new sound in with all our others, and when you see it, say unk and give me that sparkle. Okay, right, let's go. Well done. Let's hide it again. Keep going. Well done. Gonna hide it again. Well done. Keep going. Well done. Pop it back. Amazing. Well done. Super speedy sounds. So good. Okay, I am going to say some sounds with unk in it, and I want you to see whether you can push those out together and tell me the word. If you know the word, shout it out. If not, just say what I am saying. Okay. Unk. Unk. Sink. Well done. Unk. Unk. Ink. Ooh, unk. Ooh, unk. Link. Well done. Unk. Did you get it? Unk. Pink. Well done. B-a-nk. B-a-nk. Bank. Fantastic. Okay, you can go and practice writing your nk. And I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.